Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day here. Happy Saturday to everyone. Quick peek over here, of course, again at Solana, seeing what's going on. We're just going to quickly mark this descending trend line. I put this up on the charts just a moment ago, really just kind of implying that we're still below this descending trend until we are not. We really shouldn't be considering long positions. I know it seems kind of weird and crazy to not take a long with this coin, but it has proven to be very concurrent with Bitcoin, which is not a great sign right now. A lot of coins are struggle busing, okay? So don't ride the short bus, folks. Let's just wait for the better time. And when we look at Solana here, just to quickly note, there's not a lot of liquidation left below the price action. So this is somewhat of a consolation to the upside, a benefit that we could really see the price action continue further up because there's nobody else. Every single long in the last week has been destroyed, okay? So hopefully that wasn't you, but if it was, learn from it. It's okay. You'll get back up. If you take a look here at the 160, my goodness, there is a monstrous amount of liquidation there. So I'm not proposing we're going to see that hit anytime soon, but just know we start to rally back. That could be the next target. So daily time frame, let's work our way down. Keep it real here, folks, because again, I get the question a lot, like, hey, where's the next signal? What's going on? Why are you not trading right now? And truth is, markets like this, I don't love trading. It's been super choppy, and really, it's kind of difficult to find longer term holds, right? If you're scalping, different story altogether. That's not really my jam. But when it comes to swing trading, it is important to kind of pick your battles. Now, of course, there's a lot of short opportunities in the market right now too, so you could totally be successful there. But we're kind of running near the end of this short trend. And I'll explain what I mean by that here. First of all, MACD is diverging. That's still bearish. There's no other way around it. The daily time frame, just like all coins, is looking pretty terrible. Okay, we got the stochastic swinging down. We got money flow indexed right there at 50, and of course RSI below 50 as well. So these are all bearish signs. We're also barely holding above the 100-day SMA. Okay, so that's really our own last little saving grace there, minus the Fibonacci retracement levels. Okay, so let's talk about the Fib levels, right? What does that do for us? Well, here we pull this out just a little bit further. We can see that we are kind of bouncing off that 0.618/0.65 Fibonacci retracement level, we're commonly referred to as a golden pocket. Okay, so previous support level right there at 137. And the current potential resistance at 139. Okay, so this little area here is typically a very strong support. Okay, and if we do zoom out a little bit, we can kind of see there's a decent amount of volume at this range too. Granted, some of it's above us, but we do still have a large accumulation here. That does tell us that with no liquidation left to the downside, and that there's a lot of volume right now, there's a solid chance we're going to see the price recover from here. We're also in this perfect situation where we see 30 in the RSI and 20 on the money flow index. This is usually a very, very good place to buy in most cases as far as, from a swing trader's perspective here. But again, nothing else is telling us it's good. So I would not take this as financial advice to take a long position. I just think it's just generally you'll find relief rallies that occur. In fact, it might have already occurred and has since disappeared, right? So look at the hourly. Here's what needs to happen next, because again, we're not in a situation where a long position is viable. We got to break this descending trend first and foremost. Break back up over the 0.618 fib level. We need a closure at 140 or higher today at the very least. On top of that, we probably want to wait an extra 24 hours to be safe and get back above the cloud at 141, 142. So me personally, I'm not going to feel comfortable until I put a position taking a long position rather, until the price action is in a better spot right there at about 140, 141. So I'm going to put this X on the chart here just so you can kind of see it. That's roughly what I'm looking for confirmation of breaking this descending trend. Well, we have broken this range-bound activity, and we should likely see a higher high and higher low moving forward. It's a weekend, folks. Don't get it twisted. Okay, weekends are generally unique, to say the least. They give you a lot of false positives, and right now the market is taking more than it's giving, so just be aware of that. Again, whatever you trade, low leverage, low position size for the moment. We can get kind of more aggressive once an actual trend establishes itself, but we're just chopping our way through 60,000 upward to 70,000, that range that we're in right now, and it's not pretty. Okay, so don't get caught in the crossfire. Patience is paramount here, folks. Again, if you're part of my community, thank you so much for your patience. It's important to learn when to hold them and learn when to fold them. So if you're familiar with that reference there, it's just important to keep a good head on your shoulders. And right now, if you're revenge trading, that's not the way to go. Okay, it's all good, folks. We'll get back there. No worries. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below, like, subscribe, and follow if you haven't already. We'll see you in the next one, and appreciate your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.